I'm going to start off again by saying I do have sunburn. I'm filming this on the same day as some other videos, so if you notice that I'm sunburned in a few videos, it's because I filmed them on the same days. But I wanted to show you guys what I wear when I go to the pool in the summer. Now I know what you're thinking, why do you need makeup for the pool? Well, if I'm just going to the pool, I don't put this on. But what I normally do during the summer is I have to go into work before I go to watch my boss's kids, so I will usually put on some makeup. So I just wanted to show you guys what I put on. I'm not using this palette, but I'm going to use the mirror in it, by the way. So the first thing that I normally use, and all of this is waterproof by the way, that's why I use it. The first thing that I use is the IT CC Plus Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream. It has an SPF in it. I think this is more water resistant, but this is what I like to use. So I'm just going to take some of that and put it on a beauty blender. Now I'm not sure how close this is going to match my skin right now because it's a little early for my skin to be any darker, but we'll see. So I'm just going to put that around my face and blend it. I'm hoping that it isn't too orangey. So if this doesn't actually match my skin tone, bear with me because I'm filming this before summer. So I haven't used any fake tan or anything, but I wanted to show you guys which product I actually use. So I'm hoping that it's close enough that it doesn't look too weird. I'm trying to just blend it down. To me that's looking pretty orangey right now, but we're just going to keep going. So what I normally use during the summer is the IT by Under Eye because it's waterproof, but I don't have any more of this right now. So for the video I'm just going to use my NYX HD Photogenic one, but this is the one that I used for summer. I'm just going to put this, all I do with this is put it under my eyes. I don't put it anywhere else. So then I'm just going to blend that. And just in the spirit of lightening this up for this makeup a little bit, I'm just going to put it in my T-zone area to try and lighten this. The next thing that I use is pretty much any waterproof mascara. The one that I've been using is the Colossal Volume Express Mascara from Maybelline. So I'm just going to put that on my eyelashes. I use it on the tops and the bottoms. So the next thing that I use is the Rimmel London, oops, let's try not to break that. The next thing I use is the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer in Sunlight. So I just take that and put it on my forehead and my cheeks. And sometimes I'll also take a little of it and use it as like an eyeshadow. So I'll just kind of put it on, use my finger and like rub it in on my eyelid, but it's not super dark, so. And the last thing that I do is really any lip color, because I'm not really worried about that washing off. But the one I'm going to use today is the NYX Whip Wet in Pink Cloud. So I'm just going to put that on my lips. And this, you guys, is the finished look. I think I might have a little bit of blue eyeshadow from an earlier video still under my eyes, which occasionally I'll put something like that on. It just depends on whether or not I was expecting to go to the pool. But anyways, this is the finished look. Everything that I have on is either waterproof or water resistant. So most of this pretty much will last the whole time I'm at the pool, even when I'm getting in and out of the water. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!